Consumers have adapted to a more convenient and personalized shopping experience, including how they are shopping for RVs. In fact, did you know the average consumer consults 24 touchpoints on their path to purchase? From search engines and social media to dealer websites, classifieds, and even review sites. This means your dealership needs to have a robust online presence to engage them at the various stops along their purchase journey. Luckily, RV Trader offers innovative lead generation tools to help you effectively advertise online to the 6.9 million average monthly consumers who browse our marketplace. With RV Trader's marketplace listings, you can advertise new or used units with unlimited photos, unit descriptions, links to your website, and more. Enhanced ads, including premium, premium select, and featured ads, drive more exposure to your listings by placing them at the top of the organic search or in a horizontally scrolling carousel of ads at the top of the search results page. Dynamic retargeting and social retargeting ensure you're always connecting with and engaging buyers even as they browse other websites. And our Be Seen website package helps your business succeed beyond the marketplace with design and development of your website, plus a full suite of website and lead management features and reporting tools. Consumers will continue to evolve along with the digital landscape. Stay connected with them at every stage of their buying journey with RV Trader's dynamic suite of lead generation tools. Ready to get more buyers in your funnel? Check out all of RV Trader's lead generation solutions at rvtradermediakit.com/lead-generation today.